Welcome to our Roast Chicken Masterclass, where you'll learn the secrets to achieving the perfect roast chicken every time. We have turned our years of experience from running a store into a video course. It includes the entire production process and recipe proportions. It is designed for both beginners and experienced cooks, guiding you through each step with ease. From selecting the best ingredients to mastering the perfect marinade and achieving that crispy, flavorful skin, we've got you covered. If you are interested, please contact me.